Perfect. So I'm sitting here in front of Seattle's best coffee in Greenbelt. This is kind of like the ground zero for social activities that are clean and above board, if you know what I mean. This is not a red light district. You can pretty much meet friendly Filipinos day and night in this little area here. Highly recommended if you ever are in Makati. Today we're going to meet my friend for lunch, and I promised her to do a little mini photo shoot, so you can come along and take a look at some of the snapshots that I will be taking. And before we get into that, I'd like to show you around a little more in Greenbelt, and across the street from Greenbelt there is a super big food court and a super grocery store in the basement of Landmark. Most expats, they are unaware of this little gem in the basement of the Landmark shopping building. Not sure why, but maybe because there are no signs or any big promotions for the huge supermarket and food court in the basement of Landmark. But come along, I'm going to show you how to get there. But first I want to go to Salcedo Village for the weekend market and pick up some groceries. I'm walking under the Ayala Avenue here in the underpass, and it's quite safe day or night. Never seen any crime of any sort. It never fails to amaze me how many sweet and attractive girls there are walking around in Makati. And the good news is they are approachable. Doesn't mean they're going to go home with you, but at least you can strike up a conversation and even possibly make a friend. We're going to go straight in to get some lechon. They actually open up another gate today. That's nice. Haven't seen this open before. Let's try to walk in here. It should be nice little lunch here. Okay, it's pretty busy today. Actually, it's pretty busy every weekend. This looks yummy. Potatoes. Oh, those are big. Yeah, looks good. Kamusta? Kamusta? Can I have?
Wait for tomorrow, sir.
No, I cannot wait. No, I like quarter kilo, no skin, no fat. You know me. You know me.
No fat, no skin.
No fat, no skin. Quarter. Yeah. So I've received my lechon. I'm gonna dive in with some rice and no skin and hopefully not too much fat. Sitting here under the shaded area of Salcedo Farmers Market on Saturday. So today we are trying the ginger beer. We're gonna see how it tastes.
Very yummy.
That is yummy. Yeah, it kind of has strong ginger flavor, but it's not like overwhelming, and it's still like
It's quite light.
yeah, it's very light. It's not like a soda or sugar drink. So thumbs up for that one. And how much is it?
200 pesos.
So that's $4 US. But it's a big bottle. So I just had lunch here at Salcedo Farmers Market on Saturday. They're open from early in the morning until 2 p.m. Highly recommend this place. They also have another farmers market in Makati on Sunday. That's in Salcedo Village. So let's go back to Greenbelt, and I will show you how to find the landmark basement with the huge grocery store and the Filipino food court. There are basically two ways to get there. One is the overpass from Greenbelt 5, and as you can see here, you have to go up one level. While you're walking around on this floor, you should pick up the load for your phone, for your local SIM card at the Globe Telecom Center right here on the left. It's easy to get confused when you walk into a 7-Eleven store and try to buy a load on your phone, but here in the Globe Telecom store they'll help you, and I paid like $5 a week for unlimited internet, voice calls and text messages. Walking over the overpass, you can walk into the landmark building, and you just have to walk down to the basement. And the other option is to just walk across the street and of course follow the street lights. There's a big fine if you don't. Plus the traffic is very intensive right here, so it's better to use the traffic light to help you. And it's pretty easy. You just walk across the street, follow the main crowd, and then you turn right in front of the landmark building. Just walk in through all the aisles with perfumes and shopping goodies on the first floor, and you'll get to an area in the back that usually has some promotional gimmicks. They might have a band, they might have some games, other things going on. And you just look for the escalator going down to the basement, and you will be surprised. I'm not sure why they've hidden this huge gem of a grocery store and a food court so out of the mainstream. I hardly ever see any expats there.